Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best spring clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Workpro Nylon Spring Clamp Set. The Workpro Spring Clamp 16 pieces set are ideal mates for woodworking, artwork backdrops, photography, and DIY home improvement jobs. The springs manufactured from the nylon, plus it equips with durable screws for extensive long service. Both the screws and springs have a dark layer that also produces a tight grasp on a workpiece. The thick and durable clamping chip has a geometric textured cover that protects the finish on objects securely. Since the pads may rotate 45 degrees, you can adjust them as needed while working according to irregular items. The compact size allows you to carry it to different workplaces. Moreover, the ergonomic bi-material handle adds a glowing reddish anti-slip textured surface, ensuring a secure grip and reducing hand fatigue. The package includes 16 pieces of different sizes, spring clamps, and 3 jaws open-sized for versatile usage that satisfy most of your needs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Eachpole APL 1770 Heavy-Duty Nylon Clamp. Eachpole 10-pack includes 4.5-inch long spring nylon clamps that work excellent for consistent holding power on gluing, assembly, painting, or fastening projects. The set builds by a stable and rugged type of plastic, making the clamp very heavy-duty and long-lasting. Besides, some small teeth provide extra gripping strength inside the clamp throat, and the tiny serrated points hold the fabric and other surfaces tightly. These clamps have a movable tip for more flexibility and balance in irregular surfaces. Also, the tempered steel spring provides consistent pressure for more extended holding power. An X-weave textured surface on the grip provides more gripping power and ensures that the clamp won't slip out from the hand while clamping onto larger things. Additionally, spring placed securely with a screw to provide added durability and longevity. Overall, this spring clamp set is an outstanding choice for durability within a budget price. At number 3, we have the medium Rockler Bandy clamp. This unique clamp works nicely on irregularly shaped edging jobs. It is popular among woodworkers. It is easier than ever to clamp edge moldings of almost any contour with this spring clamp. It allows the user to easily one-handed operation with even pressure. To improve the durability, manufacturer added a super tough rubber band made of tear-resistant material and high-strength nylon with fiberglass capacity. More than that, 3 splines formed into it to increase extra strength. This rubber band keeps sensitive materials safe and scratch-proof and fits any shape. Rotating jaws fit angled parts and allow its jumbo ultra-grippy clamp pads not to slip. The jaw also allows all the clamping force to be transferred into the material regardless of thin thickness. Overall, this clamp is ideal for delicate and soft materials shapings. At number 2, we have the Pony Heavy-Duty Metal Clamps Set. Pony manufactures these clamps by a strong nickel-plated steel jaw for longevity and stability. Also, these heavy-duty tempered steel springs afford quick and secure opening and closing. While they might seem tiny, but have a lot of holding power. The set includes 10 pieces of 1-inch and 2-inch clamps. Keeping in mind, the manufacturer included polyvinyl handles and tips for the ultimate protection of the materials. The jaw tip is near to the pressure point for a comfortable balance in clamping. It's a perfect spring clamp for small projects such as clamping thin balsa or cover-in-place glue sets. The spring operation provides fast and easy applying or removal from the work for instant opening and closing. It can also deliver an adequate amount of spring pressure for clamping. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yaetek Wood Gluing Pipe Clamp Set. The Yaetek pipe clamps feature cast iron construction for strength and stability in woodwork. As it builds by cast iron, it has less chance of bending and breaking. The design highlights a plate clutch for improved gripping strength. A lever control system can adjust pressure without causing dents in your wood. The clamp comes with 4 pieces in a pack. You need to consider the cast iron body, which keeps wood steady during work and lasts a long time. However, with this pipe clamp model, you can manage the wood grasp to a place for gluing and drilling. The length of the pipe clamp is 3/4 of an inch, which is perfect for carrying and working. The easy operating option allows secure or loosens the pipe quickly. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.